die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
Beautiful mates of YouTube, Aussie Marcel here, and in today's video I'm just going to be recommending 3 sweet fragrances for men that are going to get you massive compliments. But before then, I just wanted to mention my fragrance of the day, and that is Leather Skies by All Saints. I couldn't be bothered going to find it again, it's on the desk somewhere. I was like walking home, and keep in mind, it was like perfect weather this morning. It was like a sort of mild summery day. I mean, there was like sunshine, it was kind of beautiful out. I was walking home after having my coffee, and then it just started pissing down. And man, what a fucking buzzkill that was. My hair was looking luscious, I was looking so good. I had like my favorite Corona t-shirt on. Corona the beer, not the virus. And yeah, I don't know, it just kind of fucking put like a dent on the day, I don't know. Anyway, top 3 sweet scents for men. These are guaranteed to get you compliments. They're relatively affordable, I mean, sort of, but yeah, great for compliments. Starting things off with an absolute game-changing Calvin Klein fragrance, and that is CK Eternity Parfum. If you're hesitant to try a Calvin Klein fragrance because of bad experiences in the past, give this one a go, blokes. Come on. It's even like, it's so good, I would even recommend it to women that want a like nice boozy sweet fragrance. Not only does it look great, it smells great too. You've got amber, you've got rum, you've got a touch of wood in here as well. It's spicy. Performance is awesome, at least concerning Calvin Klein fragrances. We all know CK fragrances are terrible performers, like compared to other brands. Like, there are good and bad performing Calvin Klein fragrances, we all know this. But yeah, CK Eternity Parfum, this is summer, it is rum, it is cocktails, it is on the beach, vibing hard, just smelling fantastic. Check this one out. $50 Australian will get you 100 ml, and at that price it is an absolute steal. Put it in your favorite blokes like stocking, stuff is stocking with it. That sounds awfully sexual, but yeah, this would make a great affordable Christmas gift, and it just smells so divine. Next up, this one like has sort of died in popularity, and then it's sort of like surging again, and that is Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy, the EDT. It's a gourmand. You get chocolate, you get sweetness, coffee. It's also got like a kind of like an amberish and warm spice quality to it as well. Performance for this one is awesome. Like, we're talking 12 hours plus. If you spray it on your clothes, expect 24 hours plus. I've got like a dress shirt that I wore to work once with this on it, and I can still smell it on that dress shirt. And like, I'm a hygienic, clean bloke, and that shirt still reeks of this stuff. So performance is incredible. Price though, is it affordable? Well, if you consider like $120 affordable, then yeah, it's affordable. I would recommend picking this one up on eBay as like an open box or a tester. For them, you get them around $70 Australian, and at that price, it is incredible value. And lastly, the absolute compliment beast, and I never expected this, like truly, I never expected it, but this is Paco Rabanne's Phantom. It's listed as an eau de toilette, but it performs like an eau de parfum. It is dense, it projects like a monster, and even though the bottle looks crazy, the fragrance itself, creamy, vanilla, lavender, touch of smoke, touch of earthiness. This one has grown on me so much. Like, there aren't a lot of fragrances that I buy and will wear like multiple days in a row. Like, I love mixing things up. This was one of those scents that I wore like almost for a week straight. Like, I was that impressed with it. Really dislike the bottle, really truly dislike the bottle design here, but the fragrance itself, monster when it comes to compliments. Performs over 12 hours on my skin. I've read amazing things about the Legion flanker for this one. Can't wait to try that one as well. It's meant to be earthier. Yeah, $120 Australian for this, so not the best value, but if you're just looking for compliments and you want something that's, you know, under 150 bucks, Carolina Herrera, Bad Boy EDT, Paco Rabanne's Phantom, both really solid options, and they're sort of similar in how they perform and the amount of compliments they get. But if you're really looking for best value for money here, hands down and easily, Eternity Parfum. What a scent. For the money, what a scent. Anyways, if you've got any experiences with the fragrances that I've mentioned today, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. Man, that rain just really fucked me up. I can't believe it. Let me know in the comments below. Can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around. What do I usually do? I usually do that, not the double thumbs up. What the fuck is this?